Hi, today I'm going to make this very pretty edible Rakhi, which can be made just a few days before or even on the same day on Raksha Bandhan. Materials required are green pistachios. This is kaju ki barfi, cashew nut barfi, or you can use almond also. White chocolate, melted, ribbon. These are cutters, cookie cutters, but you can use anything that you have at home. So I have got them in two shapes. Sugar balls used to decorate cakes, etc. Aluminium foil and cardboard. Now I'm going to use the back of this cutter to make two circles. So just trace out. And I'll cut them out. So now I've cut these and just cut out a square. From the foil, take this and just keep it in the center. Apply some glue. So you get a disc like this. I'll do the same with this. Now take a long strip of the ribbon. Cut off triangles on both sides. Makes it look neater. Take this, turn it over. Just apply glue. The ribbon and then just put the other piece. So it will look like this. So now I'm going to use this cutter. This is a scalloped floral shape. Now I've got these barfis which are sort of stuck together to give a wider area. So I'll just cut it out from this. So I have this nice flower shape. So just put some white chocolate on this. Take this and I'll just turn it over and stick it. So it will look like this. Now I'll take this flower shaped cutter. So I'll just see where the silver foil is and cut this out. You can just push it out so you get a nice flower shape. So I'll just apply a little more glue. Sorry, the white chocolate. And stick this. like so. I have made this paste of saffron, kesar. This is optional. If you don't want to do it, it's up to you. So just dip a brush. So this is a pastry brush I have, and very lightly just put it at on the lower circle of the barfi. So you get a nice yellow color. Like this. Now just take these pistachios. I'm just going to just put it and press it a bit in the barfi so that it goes inside a bit. So I'm just going to arrange the pistachio all around. So this is how it will look. Now I'll just take this bead which I've taken out. So I'm using a red colored one. And just put it in the center of the flower and press it a bit. And this is how the Rakhi would look. Very easy to make. You can make it just before Raksha Bandhan.